Are you ready to elevate your mixes without spending a dime? Now come closer, a little more closer. Cool. We are diving into Simple Shaper by Simple Plugins, a completely free volume shaping plugin that's simple to use but incredibly powerful. Whether you are a bedroom producer or a seasoned audio wizard, this little gem might be your new secret weapon for creating dynamic sidechains and rhythmic gates. Hey, stick around because I will not only break down how it works, but also give you a quick sound demo to hear it in action. If that sounds okay, let's jump right in. Simple Shaper lives up to its name with a clean and intuitive layout, as you can see on the screen. You've got 4 controls right on the main panel. You can see the envelope curves, which is right here, which allows you to choose between sigmoid, linear, or shaper sigmoid curves for modulating your volume, followed by the sync menu, which is this one right here. This locks in your gain modulation timing, as you can see, up to 1/1 and 1/16t. The next is the attack control, which is right here. This control adjusts how sharp or smooth the envelope curve starts. And finally, they have the mix control, which blends between the wet and dry signals to your liking. So with these controls, you can shape your audio to create pulsing sidechains, rhythmic gating effects, and many more. And all of this is available as free download for Mac OS and Windows. Alright guys, let's break these down further. First up, let's talk about the envelope curves, which is this section here. They determine how your gain modulation behaves. If you want something smooth, go for the sigmoid curve, as you can see here, and from the shape you can tell. Then if you need something like precision, you go for the linear. It should be your best bet. And for punchy attack, the shaper sigmoid curve is your game changer, which is this one right here. Next is the sync menu. The drop down menu, as you can see, allows you to sync the modulation to your project's tempo. Perfect for EDM producers wanting those tight rhythmic sidechains. So if that is what you're going for, you need to focus more on here and choose the right time that will suit your project. Then over to the right here, you can see the attack control. This knob lets you tweak the envelope's sharpness by dialing it in, dial it down, as you can see, for a hard hitting kick, or smooth it out for a subtle swirl. Alright, we are going to check all these things out in the demo shortly. And the final feature here is the mix control, which is your secret sauce for blending the dry and the wet. Alright, for subtle to extreme, the dry and wet mix gives you total control over your effects intensity. Alright, enough talk. Let's hear it in action. Here is a sample drum beat, totally dry. Now, let's add Simple Shaper with a sharp sigmoid envelope and smooth rhythmic gating. Notice how the rhythm breathes and pauses. This is what makes Simple Shaper a must-have for creating dynamic and engaging groove. And mind you, I only just enabled this and left it at 1/4. So think of when you now try out all these patterns, which I'm going to demonstrate shortly, you will see what it can actually add to this drum loop. Alright, let's also try it on a bass instrument and hear how it affects that. Alright, I believe you heard that, right? And you can see exactly how this plugin affects the signal that is going through it. Now, downloading Simple Shaper is actually very easy. Just head over to the Simple Plugins website. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Add it to your carts and enter your email and postal address. You will get a download link instantly. Inside the zip file, you will find installers for both Mac OS and Windows, plus a handy user guide to get you started. Oh, and here is a bonus. Simple Plugin is also giving away their Simple Tilt plugin for free until December 5th, 2024. Don't miss out on that as well. And if you're interested to check out the video on how to use this plugin, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping the video for the Simple Tilt by tomorrow. Alright guys, let's quickly sum up the pros and cons in my own view. Here are the pros. It is free. I mean, it's not gonna cost you anything. If you download it and try it and you don't like it, you've got nothing to lose. Super easy to use with a minimalistic design, and it's great for sidechaining and rhythmic effects. Now let's talk about the cons. This plugin has no official video tutorials or detailed manual instructions, and slightly limited if you are looking for a more advanced feature. But hey, for a free plugin, it punches way above its weight class. I mean, it's really amazing to have it, right? Alright, so what do you think about Simple Shaper? Personally, I think it is a no-brainer for anyone looking to add dynamic volume shaping to their toolkits. If you're ready to grab your copy, the link is in the description below. While you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe for more plugin reviews, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use Simple Shaper in your projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.